Ek is moeg, ek's gebreek en my hart is geskeur. Dit maak seer, almal bly my blameer. Dit bly ek elke keer wanneer ietsie gebeur. En dit maak so seer, ek kan dit nie hanteer.
Yo, it's D-Dog, D-Dog the GOAT, bruh.
Place goals to remove the procrastinator, betraying you to put aside your passion. You're on the same page of life's book, pick up the paint, beat the brighter picture. That specific chapter could possibly change your entire story plot. Just be patient and pay attention. There's no need to pull a pistol, pussy. Promise every prayer's gonna push you. Leave plenty of room for improvements of people.
Yo folks, hier is lastig, maar al eeuw wacht, mijn phone afzet, ik vaak nablok met die main beats van zij. In de kap terug, ik wil mijn tong nou en haar keel druk, zo zeg haar. Nou niet heel stuk. Als vleeselijk van die vrije wordt weer naar de beurt, dus ik is eerlijk. Je zijt zie en die Aldo's, baby mama en die Zobel. Je zijt stiek en die Bjalvels, die zoeken deze tel. Ik is altijd lustig, maar mijn borst brandt als ik grap is.
Yo, it's D-Dog, D-Dog the GOAT, bruh. And we're back with another banger for the books, and I know for a fact this is already a certified banger for the books. Op my lane with Reno featuring Igmo, Brian Igmo, Tyson Rickais is Igmo. Oh my god! Wow! Must say, ne, Igmo is definitely my favorite rapper that just turned 18, I think, or 19. I'm not sure what age you are, brother, but you are my favorite rapper in that age category. You remind me of like a younger San. If San was young and he had the type of style that you remind me of him, even though we're all unique in our own way, we all have our own styles and everything, but you, bro, are going far places. Brian Igmo, I want to see this man in Cape Town performances. I want to see this man in Naisma performances. I want to see this Brian in Namibia performances, in Kimberley, everywhere, bro. This man is gonna go far places. Every single track that I've heard of this man so far, yeah, especially My Way. My Way is my favorite track so far. It's been released of this man. But every track of this guy, yeah, he's not disappointed once. Not once has it been a shit track. Everything has been hard. It's been like literally bangers for the books. Just like this series, bangers for the books. It's a banger for the books, this as well. Op my lane. And not talking about this lane, because he's not about that shit. This man is not about that shit. This man is trying to stop people that's doing that type of shit. And I fuck with that. I fuck with this man's positive image and positive persona that he's pursuing in his music and as a character, as himself, man. I like that he's being himself and he's pushing through all the pain and stuff and still being him, being the kind, positive person that he is. Even though this man is deep down very heartsore and very like broken and all that. But nah, Igmo, I must say, I'm glad to have you on the reaction this year, because you know, last year we reacted to Sakam My Balas. Hey, Shakshabalaba. Not sure if you guys remember that one, but I'm gonna plug that one in the description below for you guys to check out. And just remember, just a reminder on that bloody banger. But that was one of those ones, you know, one of those ones. And I hear by someone, I'm not gonna mention names or anything, but this is apparently one of those ones as well. So yeah,
I am shocked. Well, not that shocked.
I'm gonna be the judge of that, see if this is one of those ones. But yo, without further ado, it's Igmo and Reno. Hey.
Ek is klaar met die dinge, ek is klaar met my vriende, alles draai om niks. Ek is moe vir die sinne, ek het jou gewys, ja.
Ek is klaar met my vriende and that. I think when he means like that, he's tired of the fake friends. He's tired of those fake people that he's around and all of that. He's moving on from all the fakeness and all the fake love and all that shit. That's why the track is called Op My Lane, because he's on his own lane. In his own lane.
Ek is klaar met die dinge, ek is klaar met my vriende, alles draai om niks. Ek is moe vir die sinne, ek het jou gewys, ja.
Ek is moeg van die dinge. Ek is moeg van, yo. I don't know why, but that thing just, that little stuck, even though it wasn't that meaningful, ne? Like, the way, with what he said, ne? Like, for someone that doesn't know him or anything to understand what he said there. Just from what I know of this guy, bro, that hit hard. That actually hit hard. Damn. But anyways.
Ek is op my lyn, ja. Ek is klaar met die dinge, ek is klaar met my vriende. Alles
Respect,
draai om
respect,
niks. Ek is moe
respect,
vir die
respect,
sinne, ek het jou
respect,
gewys, ja.
respect, big
Ek
respect.
is op my lyn, ja. Elke dag voel ek alleen. Mense praat maar ek sê maar niks sê.
You have to start off like that, my bro. You have to start off like that. Sometimes I feel alone. Sometimes I don't even worry to talk. You really have to start off so strong, bro. So emotional, bro. Yes.
Sinne ek het jou gewys, ja. Ek is op my lyn, ja. Elke dag voel ek alleen. Mense praat maar ek sê maar niks sê. Ek is moe vir beloftes wat breek.
Oh, that's what he said. A lot of people are talking, but he's gonna say nothing.
Vertroue verloor, dit voel regtig vreemd. Ek sien na my glimlach, maar binne is dit dood. Ek so pad vorentoe, maar my pad lyk.
My bro, you don't have to come so emotional onto this thing, bro. You're gonna make a man's heart pop out broken. No, I just finally got my pieces together and I'm gonna break it all over again. No.
What are you talking about?
But damn. Everyone is smiling, but inside it's ice cold. Inside their heart is cold. Inside it's cold. They like emotionless and like full of pain and all that. But on the outside they're smiling and giggling and laughing and all that shit. Damn.
Ek probeer om my kop bo water. My elke slaap voel soos 'n laaste offer. Harte is hard, mense verander vinnig.
I have to keep my head above water because every time I go to bed it feels like it's gonna be my last. Damn. From what I think that is, ne? I think that's like in the ghetto. Like you have to watch out when you sleeping and stuff because there's a lot of people that will like break into your house and then kill you at night, and a lot of drive-bys that'll come happen or something, or some random shooting in your street or something, and the bullet magically flies through your window and hits you. Because I hear about the Cape Flats, it happens a lot, bro, in the Cape Flats in Cape Town. My ex used to tell me this, that used to be shootings like every single week there, and you had to like duck under your bed because the bullets used to fly through the people's windows. That's not even a part of the situation and shit. So yeah, damn. That's what I take from it.
Eindelijk wil ek net rus vind, dis eindelijk dringend. Ek soek vrede nie net vir 'n oomblik nie, maar vir altyd sonder al die twis en pyn. Ek is klaar met die dinge, ek is klaar met my vriende. Alles draai om niks. Ek is moe vir die sinne, ek het jou gewys, ja. Ek is op my lyn, ja. Ek is klaar met die dinge, ek is klaar met my vriende. Alles draai om niks. Ek is moe vir die sinne, ek het jou gewys, ja. Ek is op my lyn, ja.
Now it's coming. The one we've all been waiting for, the person we've all been waiting for, Brian Igmo Tyson already, guys. And everybody that's watching this, Igmo is actually partaking in the Bekgevecht rap battle that's happening on the 8th of March. Here is the poster. The tolls are up for you guys to pick who do you think is going to win it. It's already up the polls. But here is the thing. I'm going to leave the ticket link in the description below so you guys can book your tickets for this event and catch me there because you know I'm going to be there. I'm going to make sure that I'm going to be there. That's a fact. I'm going to be there. But yo, we got Igmo coming up now. I can't wait to hear this man's verse. I know what... Okay, I'm going to admit to you guys, man. I know this man's verse. But I don't remember this man's verse too well. But I've heard it before. I have the snippet of his verse in my gallery somewhere, but I can't remember how the verse goes. But I remember how the verse goes, but not the words. Let me say that. I don't remember the words he used.
Ek is klaar met die dinge, ek is klaar met my vriende. Alles draai om niks. Ek is moe vir die sinne, ek het jou geweest, ja. Ik is op mijn lijn, ja.
Ek is moeg, ek's gebreek en my hart is geskeur. Dit maak seer, almal bly.
Jere Igmo. Jere Igmo. Whatever you are going through, bro. Whatever you expressed under this track, bro. I feel you. I feel you 100%. Yo. Bro. You're making my whole body get chills through, bro. With this stuff.
Sinne ik jou geweest, ja. Ik is op mijn lijn, ja.
Ek is moeg, ek's gebreek en my hart is geskeur.
Ek is moeg, ek gebreek, my hart is gesteek. He's tired. He's tired, he feels broken, his heart feels like it's been stabbed. This man is... If you actually watch this video, sorry that I'm looking like this. I'm just, yo, this track just got to me, bro. This verse just got to me.
Enough to make a grown man cry, but not this man. Get back in there, tear.
Yes. If you, a lot of people, they look all happy and they look smiling and all that. But just have one proper conversation with this person, and then just look in their eyes while he's speaking to this person. Make sure you make eye contact with this person. You will see how broken their soul is, how deep down, how broken they are. Like if you watch Igmo's music videos, or if you see clips of Igmo giving motivation, or you just see his clips in general, just look at his eyes, man. You can see how heart-sore this man is, how broken this man is. And I wish I had a way, just to like just tap on someone's shoulder or something, and then I managed to take all their pain. If I could do that, I don't care how fucked up I would be at the end of the day. I would literally take every single person's pain from them, every good person's pain from them, because I don't give a fuck about these evil people from the Epstein files and shit. Yo, that shit, bro. I heard about that. I read too much about the Epstein files last night. Like over 30 hours I was busy researching this stuff and watching videos on this stuff and just reading all about this stuff. And yo, I'm never going to see the world the same ever again. I'm never going to see certain people the same or anything. And I know this is really irrelevant to this video, but Jeffrey Epstein, he's the Antichrist. I know that. I don't know it for a fact, but I know. I have a gut feeling he's the Antichrist.
Maak seer, almal bly my blameer. Dit bly ek elke keer wanneer iets gebeur.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what that one word is when you mention my friends or friends. Wait. Let me get to it.
Ek is moeg, ek's gebreek en my hart is geskeur. Dit maak seer, almal bly my blameer. Dit bly ek elke keer.
Plan meer. What is plan meer? They're like planning against you. All your friends are planning against you. They don't want to see you win or anything. Is that what you mean by that part, Igmo?
Wanneer iets gebeur.
It's always me when something is happening. That is exactly how I am in the house, bro. In my household. Every single time something happens, and it doesn't care if I'm in the room the whole entire day. If something happens in the house, they come blame me and they come attack me and shit. Like I'm the problem, like I caused this and all of that.
En dit maak so seer. Ek kan dit nie hanteer. Dit gebeur keer op keer. Maar ek wil.
And I can't understand it, how it's been happening over and over. I don't know how I'm getting the blame for shit over and over and over. I don't understand it. Damn. This is a misunderstood motherfucker. This motherfucker is too misunderstood.
Ek gaan dan eens probeer. Die keer as ek alleen is net ek. God Vader en die Heilige Gees.
Oh yeah, I fuck with this. This is the mentality that all of us must have, ne? You're never alone. This man is saying when he's alone, he's never alone because he's got God, the Father, and Jesus and all of that. That's one thing I need every single lonely person to get into their cup, that they're never alone, even when they think they're alone, because God is with them 24/7. Even when they're out in the crowd and shit, God is with them.
Hy het my genees toe ek begin Bybel lees. Ja, toe ek begin Bybel lees. Toe ek begin Bybel lees. Ja. Tyson die guys.
Tyson and the guys is Igbo. You know what it is. This is definitely a banger for the books. This track is going to give you guys chills. So I should have said this in the beginning before I got into this track. But if you want to listen to this reaction and watch this reaction, get your toilet paper ready. Get everything that you need ready. So you know if you need to cry or something, you have something on the side for you.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
But yeah, this was definitely a certified banger for the books with no one but Igmo and Reno and Igmo. They're not brothers or anything, I think, but they sound cut the same, you know. They can even be in a track. Reno and Igmo. Just imagine they had to start the group. Reno Igmo. Nah, that would actually be hard.
These drugs are kicking in now. Are you high? What it look like, nigga?
Can't lie. But yo, I hope you guys enjoyed that one. This was definitely a banger for the books. Definitely a banger for the books. Yo, I'm going to leave the official music video of this in my description below so you guys can check it out and give it a like and share it. As well as a WhatsApp group that I made the other week for all you artists here in South Africa to plug your music, spam your music links. I don't even care if you put 10 of your recent tracks onto that group. Going to react to each and every link that's posted into that group, and we still got more bangers on the way, so keep updated for that, man, because I know you guys wouldn't want to miss that one. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy that one. Subscribe to the channel, turn those notifications on, and like the video if you haven't already, because I know you haven't. You just watch it and not liking the video. What the puss is wrong with you, man? Like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn the notifications on. It's just one click away. You don't even need to watch my videos. You just need to just click it. It's gonna be 1 second click, 1 second to like, 1 second to subscribe, and 1 second to turn those notifications on. But yeah, I'll check you in the next one. That was D-Dog the GOAT. Bruh.